So yes, I'm going to be snailing, mucusing it up all over my face. And just you watch. I'm going to look 10 years younger. Yes. Yes. Hi everyone, I'm Wygo Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, welcome. Wygo stands for When You Get Old. I am 54 years old, love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you've stopped by because you love watching beauty skincare hauls, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, so I did a little shopping last weekend, which was Memorial Day, and I am shocked that this has already arrived. So I made a big haul purchase from Yesstyle, which is located, I believe, in Hong Kong, and I placed the order on May the 30th, and it had arrived on June the 4th. Can you believe that? Less than a week. I placed an order with ColourPop that still hasn't got here yet. So let's dig in and see what I got. I'm just going to pull everything out and then go through it. Make it easier. I don't know if it'll pick up on camera, but if it does, apologies. It is pouring down rain, and for me, it's quite noisy. It probably won't pick up on camera, but if you hear anything in the background, it's just nature saying, hello, you can't enjoy June. No, it must be rainy. Okay, so I said the next time I did a haul from Yesstyle, I was going to stock up on some cotton pads. I love the cotton pads that you get that are Korean or Japanese. They're so soft and nice. The last time I placed an order, I thought, ooh, I get 1,000 pads for, I forget, it was like $6, $7. Don't get fooled like I did, thinking you're getting a really good deal by getting 1,000 pads. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So this is what I got last time, the time before. And you think, oh yes. However, the pads are like, they aren't pads. It's like a single layer, really thin. So what I have to do is I grab like a chunk of like 4 to 5, and then I put my stuff in. I want my pad to be about this thick, but it's one pad. So hopefully I did it right, because I made sure when I placed my order that it said like 200 instead of 1,000. And I think, yeah, I did good. So it's the same size, but here you're going to get 200 pads. And so I got, let's see, 2 of the same here. So these are the beauty cotton pads from MEILAMEI, and you get 200. I'll list the price on the screen. I got 2 of them to last me a while. I also got additional pads here from, it says Magic Tool Multi 5-Layer Cotton Puff, and this HOLIKA. And you see the little demonstration there. And lastly, I got more, a different brand here. These are Prepare Grooming for Your Beauty Cotton. Yes, so I am stocked up for quite some time. I go through these quite frequently because I do kind of a semi-Korean skincare, going with my cleanser, my toner, my BHA or AHA, exfoliator, and then I do an essence, and then serums I usually do with my fingers and hands, but yeah, I usually go 3 to 4 steps where I need a cotton pad. Oh, and then my makeup remover for my waterproof mascara. Okay, a little TMI, but now you know. If you're interested in some really good cotton beauty pads, Yesstyle has you covered. Okay, now don't be scared. When I do place an order for Yesstyle, it's a lot of Korean skincare products, and I'm into the snail repair. So we have this product here, which is the multifunction formula all-in-one snail repair cream. This is by MIZON, and telling you, snail cream is where it's at. In case you are not aware why the snail products are so good, it has a high concentration of snail mucin, which promotes skin rejuvenation and reduces the appearance of scars and blemishes. So the little snail, as he's, chug along the ground, it scrapes up his belly, but that little trail of like glistening stuff, that's the mucin, and it helps repair them. So I know it sounds gross, no animals are harmed, but it's really, really, really good for your skin. What is this? Oh, okay, so the next item, this is from Juicy Pang, and it's a blusher. This is way smaller than I thought, but it looks adorable, and it feels kind of hefty. I have the shade Guava. Oh, yes, I remember that. Oh, it is much smaller than I thought. Look how cute. It looks like it's nail polish, but it is a blush. Oh, and actually the applicator is like nail polish. Let's put a little dab on, because a little dab will do ya. And let's smear it on in. Ooh, that's very light. Is it buildable? Alright, for camera purposes, you can see I globbed on a lot more. There we go. So, what's nice about the liquid is you can add as little or as much as you want. Go in. That is quite lovely. Okay. I'm going to wash my hands off, and I'll be back with the next item. Oh, I should mention, if you notice any like that, or that, I was experimenting with self-tanners and forgot to immediately wash my hands. Don't do that. Okay, and the last bit is all globbed over here, and I got quite a lot. Ooh, okay, so here we have another Snail product. This is Pure Snail Hand Cream, and I am super excited. That's what she looks like. Oh, it does come safety sealed. I have a couple hand creams going on right now, but I'm super excited to have this in my life. On the same theme of Snail, this is the multifunction formula Snail Recovery Gel Cream. This is also from MIZON. I'm going to be snailing, mucusing it up all over my face. And just you watch. I'm going to look 10 years younger. Yes. Yes. All right. So the next item, this is from PURITO, and it's Centella Green Level Buffet Serum. Ooh. Love a good serum. This is what it looks like. This contains 49% Centella Asiatica Extract, which, if I was a dermatologist, would tell you what it was for, but I do not know. And it's 60 milliliters. That's lovely and gonna be on my face. I also got, while I was making the purchase for my mom, because she loves this. I do too, but I experiment with too many foundations to keep going with this. So this here is the Perfect Cover BB Cream from MISSHA in the shade 23. If you have never tried it, these Korean BB creams are fantastic. They have like 42 SPF. Put it on with your hands, walk out the door, you get medium coverage. Fantastic. Here is the next item I got. This is Cica Clearing BB Cream from PURITO. Yes. Okay, so I currently have this Snail BB Cream from PURITO, which I really like. And so I saw this other one and thought, let me give this a try. Because why not buy more stuff when I already have too many items to wear? Comment down below if you share a similar shopping addiction problem. You just love skincare and makeup so much that you really don't care. That's me. I don't care. I want to try them all until my goal one day is that I have my holy grail for everything, and I just auto purchase the same one over and over. But in order to find that, you have to try 15 million products. Am I right, ladies? Sadly, it's true. Okay, the last item. Oh, here we go. This here is another Snail Repair Cream. This one's for the eye. This size is for the eye. And it's also a multi-function formula from MIZON. So MIZON is rocking the Snail creams. That's what it looks like there. Ooh, this one isn't safety sealed, so we can take it for a little test drive. All right, that's what she looks like. Nice. Nicely scented. Nothing overly scented, but soft, subtle. It's not icky. Yes. Okay, let's recap what I got. So, a ton of Snail creams, like for hands, face, under the eye. I got a serum, a couple of BB creams, and a like 6-month supply of cotton squares. I'm going to list on the screen my grand shopping total, and let me know your thoughts. Do you think I got a good deal? I am shocked and amazed at how quickly these items got to me. Coming all the way from Hong Kong. That's impressive. If anyone's been on the fence, or you've thought about making a Yesstyle purchase but you haven't pulled the trigger, this is like my 5th one. It's safe, it's quick, and they got really good deals. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. I would love for you to subscribe. For those who have, thank you. Make sure you click that bell icon so you're notified of future videos. And you see that guy right down there? It looks like this. I would love for you to hit the thumbs up. Leave me a comment and let me know which item I got was your favorite, or which one scared you the most. All right. Thanks, everyone.